Welcome to my channel. Again, it's NoyTebs here. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload dito sa What's in the Box. Let's get started. There you go, guys. So again, we are going to do a unboxing this Prada sunglasses. They have beautiful bag here. So nice, beautiful bag. And this is it. So again, the case that they have here is so beautiful. It's so hard. And they have here inside the box, they have here a manual, and they have also here a cloth for cleaning for your lenses. And wow, it's so beautiful case, guys. Beautiful. That's why I said, like, what you pay is what you get.
Oh, no.
If you're expensive, expect the beautiful one, just only the case or whatever. So more expectation on the product itself. And now we are going to, yeah, it's nice case here. Yeah, beautiful plastic case, Prada, with the a red name on it of Prada. And wow, bang, this is it. Beautiful case, so beautiful case. So again, guys, this is a Prada. The lens itself, the frame of this sunglasses. This is a metal frame, and the frame type, it's a full rim. It's what they call it. The frame type, it's a full rim. And this is also the frame size of this one here is rectangular. And then lens color of this one is a gray. And the materials of the frame, it's a metal kind of materials. And it's so beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And it comes with the Prada on the side. And then the color of the what do you call that one here? It's blue. The color of that one's blue. So nice shape, guys. Beautiful. So again, it's gonna be nice, and for summertime, you're gonna wear this one outside, and I'm gonna try this one here. Wow. Nice one. Nice one. Beautiful. Yeah. So again, so what I've said, that what you pay is what you get. This is a beautiful one. I know it's expensive. It's $499. I just got this one here. The fitting of the sunglasses, to me, it's so perfect, and it doesn't touch on my cheeks. And there's a space in here, so there's no marking on if you keep on wearing on this one here, but it's beautiful. So yeah, nice one. So look, beautiful. Yeah, so nice. The materials on this one here is really good, and mostly of the Prada products are made in Italy. So I love Prada, guys. I have lots of stuff of Prada. I have slippers and shoes, but it's gonna be soon. I'm gonna unboxing also on that one. But yeah, but this one here, the sunglasses. The other thing here, if you want to change the lens on this, all you have to do is to unscrew it, and then the other piece will be separated and then you can replace for any prescription if you want to use for prescription glasses, because I need for prescription glasses on this one here. So that is why I bought this one here, so I can use it for my driving sunglasses. Nice. Nice one. So there you go. So again, guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope we'll see you again next time. NoyTebs vlog here.